Alright, hi sister, Jennifer, this is John, and well, this is the video that, where I'm showing how I did the exam and how I solved the problems. So in the first one, it says solve for x, I mean the quadratic solution, something like that, I don't remember. But the thing is that, yeah, it was the quadratic, okay, so well, this was the problem, and so what I did was to look for how it can be like a perfect square. So I add here 16, I moved this 25 to the other side, and it goes like with a minus sign, and also to add the same 16. So after doing this, I got this. It will be x plus 4 square, and this will be the square root of minus 25 plus 16, that it would be minus 9. So then after that we have the x plus 4, because we are going to cancel the other one, and then it also has to be with plus and minus signs, and because this is minus, it will be minus 9 as well. So for the square root we have to take it out the square, and now we have the x, it will be equals, because we are changing the sign, minus 4 plus minus and the square root of minus 9, and this should be the answer. So the student, what it was wrong with the answer of the student, it was because he put another number here, I don't remember which one, but it should be 16. And also something that he did wrong, it was the signs, because he put the x, he puts x equals minus 8, but it should be 8, not plus a, because he didn't change the sign. So he should have changed the sign, but he didn't, so it was wrong for that. So for the next one, it was so what I did was to move the minus x to the other side, that it will be x minus 2, and this, because it's the square root, we have to put the over 2, I mean over 2 square, so then we have to eliminate the square root, and this just we have to multiply. It would be x plus 28 x2 minus 4x plus 4. Because we have here the x, we're going to take it out and we're going to put minus x. So, and it's the same with the, so we have now minus 5x, because we have to add this, but because it's the same sign. And then I did the same thing here with 28, so it will be minus 28 minus 28. In that way we have 0, x squared minus 5x minus 28 plus 4, it will be minus 24, and just we have to do the fractions here. It will be 8 is 24, and 8 minus 3 would be 5, but because for the signs it will be minus 5, so it works here. So I'm just here to check if that's the correct answer. I did the same, just to replace minus 3 in the first one, and I didn't get the answer, so it was 8 equals minus 2, so that means that is not the correct answer. For the second one I used the 8 and it was correct. I got minus 2 equals minus 2, which is good. Yeah, so now for the next one, I did the same, so just to look for the less common denominator. so that it would be here with I fraction this, so it was 2x plus 3x minus 5 parentheses. Well, so the less common denominator, it will be 2x plus 3x minus 5. And also I did well, the restrictions. So x minus 5 equals 0, it will be x equal 5. 2x plus 3 equals 0, it will be x equals minus 3 over 2. So the restrictions are that x cannot be 5 and cannot be minus 3 over 2. So here it was just to put here the less common denominator to eliminate. I got this. The same here to eliminate. I got this. And here to eliminate, and I got this. And here to multiply. 2 times 2, 4x plus 6 minus 1x plus 5 and 26. And here just to subtract by minus 11. So I got 3x equals 15. 26 minus 11 is 15. And x is equal 15 over 3, which means it's 5. 15 divide 3, so it's 5. So I got this. I got no solution because x cannot be equal to 5 like we did in the restrictions. So that's the answer for the number 3. Number 4, well, what I did here, it was just to use the fractions, the same thing, x plus 5, x minus 5, and well, the same thing here. So in the exam I couldn't type, so I did all the things in the paper because it was in a PDF and I couldn't convert it as soon as I came to Word document, so I couldn't type there. I'm so sorry for it. So that's why I just type here all the things. So I hope it can be, well, I'm so sorry for it. I just can't say that. So that was the question. It was saying that if it was correct, but the answer is no, because it's missing the x equals minus 5, because we have here 2 x plus 5 and also x minus 5, and and what it was saying in the paper, it was saying just x plus 2 and x plus 5, but that's wrong. And also all the circles are not closed, because we also have open circles. And then it's not correct because for the signs, so we have also to change this. And I got this the answer, and it's just with the signs as well. And that's for the problem number 4. Okay. So number 5, I couldn't do it well, so I couldn't understand very well. So that's why I didn't do it, the number 5. And for the number 6, okay, so I hope that I can see here the problems, because I don't remember very well how was that. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I can see it here. So for number 6, we have it was saying use the 3 lines described below to answer the questions. So the first line, it is 4x minus 5 equals 2. So what I did here, it was to put here the minus 5y and to divide it by minus 5, so we can eliminate that. But because I use this here, I also have to use in the other ones. and I move the 4x to the other side, that it will be with minus sign. And I got this. So y is equals to 4 over 5x. Oh wait, it should be here the minus. Okay, sorry. I put it here, but oh no, I'm correct, because we have to eliminate the minus, so it's positive. Yeah, I did it good, so I'm sorry. And well, we have to change here the sign, so it will be minus 2 over 5. So what is the slope of the first line? It is the 4 over 5, 4 over 5x. Well, this is the slope. Is the formula that I learned in the classes. That it will the formula was y equal m, the slope x plus b. That was the formula. Well, and yes, I did the same thing here. So for the second line, it was saying write the equation of the line in the slope intercept form, that it's parallel to the first line and passes through the point minus 10, comma, minus 2. So this is again the formula. So it will be y minus y1. So because we have here, when the problem says that it's minus 10, comma, minus 2. So this will be my x1 and this will be my y1. So that's why I put it here. Y minus 2, because y1, and minus with minus, it will be plus. So y plus 2. Here we have the same thing because it's parallel, so it's the same slope. 4, 5x, the formula, it was saying mx plus b. So, oh wait, it's the formula, it's a y minus y1 slope x minus x1, x plus, oh, x minus x1, that was the formula, sorry. So in here, because we have the minus with minus 10 is my x1, so that's y, and I got plus a, because for the sign. So here I just have to eliminate this one, so I put minus 2, this on the other side, in both sides, and I got this the answer. Y is equal 4 over 5x plus 6. So this will be the answer for the second line. For the third line, it was saying write the equation of the line in a slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to the second line and has the same y-intercept as the first line. So because it's perpendicular, so it's the opposite. So that's why I got my slope minus 5 over 4. And this would be the equation of the line in the slope-intercept form. It will be y, the slope, x, and because it was saying that it was the same like in the first line, so that's why I put the same thing. Just I was just changing I was also using the slope that I got here, and that's for the number 6. And then for the bonus questions, I was able just to do one. I couldn't do the other one. I couldn't understand very well. I was stuck here, and also because for the time I couldn't finish. But well, for the first one, this was the solve for x. Oh, sorry, solve for y. So this was solve for y. Okay, so this was the problem. X equal 5 minus 4 y over 3y plus 2. So what I did was to move this to the other side so I can multiply. So I put 3y plus 2 times x equal 5 minus 4y. So the same thing here. So I will just multiply here 3xy plus 2x equals 5 minus 4y. The same thing here. And here what I did, it was just to move the 2x to the other side and the 4y to the other side. So I move this, it will be minus 2x plus 5, and this it will be plus 4y. And here is just to fraction. So I got here the same, the common thing here is the y, so that's y 3x plus 4, and here would be the same, equal minus 2x plus 5. So y is equals to minus 2x plus 5 over 3x plus 4, what I did here. And for the second one I couldn't finish, so I stuck here, and because for the time as well. And yep, that was my exam. I'm so sorry that I'm using the paper. I couldn't do it in a PDF. I tried to do it, I downloaded the PDF, but I couldn't edit the PDF. So if for the next time, if it can be like in the Word document, that would be better, because I tried to convert it to the Word document, but it took so long, and then I couldn't do it because also for the Proctorio. So I'm really sorry for it, teacher or Sister Jennifer. And well, that was my exam. And yeah, that was the best that I could do. I know that I have to learn more, but I'm enjoying this class. And thank you so much for everything. Have a good night.